Come on in, guys. All right. Time for the Corsa Performance Turndown setup on the Lethal Performance First Edition Bronco. Let's do this. Here we are, next door at WBA Performance with the Lethal Performance 2.7 liter First Edition Bronco. So we installed the Corsa Performance Catback on there with the dual tips, and it sounds unreal. I'm loving it. You guys got to check out the sound clips on our channel. Make sure to check that video because it does sound really good. Out of the 10 systems that we installed on there, I'm going to say it's in the #1 spot. So what we're going to do today is install the other option, which is the turn down option. What that does is remove the dual tips from the back there and has this turn down area for you. This is for guys that are concerned about when they're off-roading or crawling with the Bronco, they want more clearance. So we're going to install this, do some sound clips for you, give it a road test, and let you hear how it sounds. So here we are. It's very simple to do this the swap. We're just removing the rear section, the dual tip Corsa setup, and we're going to throw the turn down on. Should be an easy install. Should be. See the clearance difference. That was the biggest thing about people. One thing that they had to say about the Corsa system is that the tips in the back hang down low. They're afraid when they're off-roading and stuff, but with the turn down setup, you're going to have a lot more clearance.
You might be on track for a should be.
Should be. Under a minute when Josh is doing it. Under a minute. Good job, Josh.
Are we straight there?
Yeah. You're looking good.
Easiest thing we've installed for Lethal Performance.
Yeah. So I'm curious how it's going to sound. I believe most of the sound on the Corsa system comes from their RSC technology. I'm not going to try and say that, but I know it was developed by, they work with a NASA scientist or engineer to do it. So, but having the two tips and the longer piping on there may change the tone a bit, but I guess we're going to fire it up and hear how it sounds here in a moment. Take it for a cruise. Definitely Corsa. Corsa's got it down. We know that. Come on, man. Corsa. Come on.
Raptor stuff coming from Corsa. Dude.
Oh, come on, Corsa. Let's go. Raptor, we need it. Come on, Sean. Bye-bye. Turn down for what? Yeah, I'm on. Got the Corsa turn down on here. Let's give it a rip. It sounds good. I don't think it's as loud as it was before with the dual tips. I think maybe those the pipes with the obviously having like a longer extension to it gives it a different tone.
Right.
Especially that the sound is going out back too, and just the longer piping itself.
Sure.
It still sounds really good though.
Yeah.
I think it is a little more tame than what it was.
Right.
But I mean, I guess for the guys who do that trail stuff and off-roading a lot, they don't like really loud stuff. So let me quiet down a little bit, give more clearance. I still love the Corsa system. It sounds really good. Giving her a little rip down here. Yeah. It's, in my opinion, it's definitely tamer than it was before with the dual tips on it. Still sounds awesome though. You want to do a couple revs and some launches, Joe?
Yeah, we gotta give you guys some
outside perspective?
Yep.
Yeah. And there you have it, guys. The Corsa Performance turned down for what? Turned down for the Bronco 2.7 liter catback system. My opinion, still sounds great. It's definitely more subtle and quieter than the system with the dual tips on it. Still sounds really good though. But I'm gonna say I'm going back to the dual tips from Corsa because it sounds awesome. There you have it, guys. Any questions on any of Corsa Performance catback systems, intakes, oil separators for your Bronco, feel free to reach out to us at 561-753-8105. Make sure to give us a like, comment on here. You guys have any questions and we'll get back to you. Thank you so much. Mustang King, Bronco King, and I'm out. Woo! The elk call. It's that time of the year. I don't even know how to do an elk call. Do you know? No? Joe, you don't know an elk call?
No.